Hello everybody, it is May 6th, 2023 and I'm out on Allen Lake today running some more motors. This one is my 1954 Clinton Model 40. Interesting story with this motor. I just got this last weekend. It was given to me by a lady that works with my wife, and she was cleaning out her estate. Her father's estate. So he was friends with the son of the founder of Clinton Engines, or Clinton Machine, which became Clinton Engines. So this motor actually belonged to, I don't know if you can read it, stamped in the side, Joe Thomas. And Joe Thomas, his first name was Edward. He went by Joe, Edward Joseph Thomas. Was the son of Don Thomas, the founder of Clinton Machine. So that's an interesting little history on this one. That was something that I didn't know when I acquired it. That I knew there was a connection there, but there was more of a connection than I realized. Anyway, this one had been sitting for decades in a barn. I have no idea when the last time it was run was. It had, the recoil was missing, and it had an elevated rope sheave on it, and it had some like tin covering the flywheel so you couldn't get your fingers in there. Two pieces on there with some electrical tape around the outside to keep from cutting yourself. And everything was just oily because the fuel that had been sitting in the tank and the carburetor had all evaporated out, and there was varnish and oil left over. So I went through and cleaned all that up and cleaned the carburetor out. I pulled the flywheel off and cleaned the points because there was no spark. I put a new plug in it, and once the points were cleaned, spark came back. Cleaned the fuel tank out, replaced the fuel line, and put fuel to it, and we are able to run it now. It actually runs pretty good. I mean, these are, in the outboard world, I guess these are nothing special, but this one's got a really cool history, and I'm happy to have it in my collection. So let's take it for a run across the lake just to see how it does. I actually put this is a Tecumseh recoil, and the cup, the ratchet cup on there matches the recoil, but it fit right on. The bolt pattern's the same, and so it worked out, and now it has a recoil start again, so that helps. All right, let's fire it up and see how it does. Took a solid 5 miles an hour wide open on my Alumacraft FD. It's actually much more pleasant to run at about half throttle. Nice and smooth there, not so loud. Three and a half to 4 miles an hour. And like many of the others, turn them around for reverse. Back into forward. hard to see, but you can see the prop spinning. These are completely air cooled. There is no impeller at all in this. And this is a 16-to-1 mix motor. I'm running it on a mixture of 16-to-1 of non-ethanol fuel, non-ethanol gasoline, and full synthetic outboard oil. All right, till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.